Attention snoring sufferers. If you want to stop snoring once and for all, and start getting the quality restful sleep you deserve, then this will be the most important video you watch today. Here is why. New scientific research has finally discovered the deeper cause of snoring, and how to fix it. Snoring is caused by the soft tissue in the back of your throat collapsing during sleep. This is what blocks your airway and makes it difficult to breathe. In order to stop the snoring problem at its source, you need to give your jaw support so it stays in the upright position and keeps your airway open. You have several different options to accomplish this. There are breathing machines. You can get surgery. However, that is expensive and very dangerous. There are also special pillows which claim to give your jaw the proper amount of support. And there are mouthpieces you could wear at night to keep your air passageway open. However, the most effective solution that I've found is the jaw support strap. This comfortable device holds your jaw in the upright position, keeping your airway open, allowing you to finally get deep, rejuvenating sleep every single night. And the best part is, the more you wear it, the more it trains your jaw to stay in the proper position. So over time, your airway will stay open naturally without having to use the device every night. It's a lot like how braces work. First, you wear them every night. Then eventually you get a retainer for maintenance. After a while, you only need to wear the retainer every few nights because your teeth have been trained to stay in place. The jaw support device works the exact same way. Anyways, the jaw support device I have found to be the most comfortable, affordable, and effective is called My Snoring Solution. Click this link inside the video to learn more. This link will take you directly to the My Snoring Solution website, where you can learn more about how the device works and how you can start using it to stop snoring in as little as 3 days, even if everything you've tried hasn't worked. So go ahead, click the link, visit the website, and thanks for watching.